Hi everyone, this is Dr. Pasnuti Sumant, and the most common complaint told by parents in our clinic is their child having fever, but most of them are not sure exactly how to measure it in an accurate way and where to measure it. So this video is everything you need to know about checking your child's temperature. So what is fever? Fever is a normal response to a variety of conditions, the most common of which is infection. Nearly every child will develop fever at some point. A fever is a rise in body temperature that goes above at certain level. In general, a fever means a temperature above 100.4 degree Fahrenheit or 38 degrees centigrade. So how do I measure my child's temperature? Digital thermometers are inexpensive, widely available, and the most accurate way to measure temperature. Glass thermometers that contain mercury are not recommended due to potential risk of exposure to mercury if the glass is broken. You might get slightly different numbers depending on how you take your child's temperature, like in mouth, armpit, ear, forehead, or so. Where to measure temperature? The most accurate way is to take a rectal temperature, but the best way to measure a child's temperature depends on several factors. A rectal temperature is appropriate for infants from birth to 3 months of age. For children who can hold a thermometer under the tongue using proper technique, temperature can be measured accurately in the mouth. Usually, children older than 4 are. For infants and children who cannot hold the thermometer under the tongue, temperature can be measured in the armpit. If the armpit temperature is over 99 degree Fahrenheit and there is concern that the child is ill, a rectal temperature may be necessary. Temperatures measured in the ear or on the forehead are less accurate than the temperature measured rectally or orally and may need to be confirmed. It is not accurate to estimate a child's temperature by feeling the child's skin. This is highly dependent on the temperature of the person who is checking the child's skin. How to measure temperature at specific sites? Oral temperature. Place the tip of the thermometer under the child's tongue toward the back and ask the child to hold it and keep it lips closed. Do not measure if the child has consumed a hot or cold food or drink in the last 30 minutes, and later clean it with cool water and soap and rinse with water. A glass thermometer requires approximately 3 minutes, while most digital thermometers need temperature. Place the tip in the child's dry armpit. Hold it in place by holding the child's elbow against the chest for 4 to 5 minutes. Rectal temperature. The child or the infant should lie down on the stomach across an adult's lap. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to the end of the thermometer. Gently insert the thermometer into the child's anus until the silver tip of the thermometer is not visible. And this can be done in either of these positions as shown in the image. I hope I have given enough information regarding the accurate way of measuring your child's temperature. And thanks for watching.